Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a wood round pumpkin. So I just grabbed one of these wood rounds. This is a slice from actually my parents' yard. They have a wood stove, so my stepdad's always got wood, so I took one of them to craft with. This gather cutout from Joann's, I believe. Some florals from Dollar Tree. A stem from a stick from Dollar Tree. And some orange and white paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my whole wood round with the orange color. And this ended up taking 2 coats, obviously, because the wood just absorbs it. So I did 2 coats, and I made sure not to get the edging where the bark was. I wanted to leave that natural. So once I had my orange paint on and it was all dry, I took my cutout that said gather, and I painted that with some white acrylic paint. My video got a little cut off here at the top because the wood round was kind of high. So I took some hot glue and some wood glue and glued my stem to the top. Now my pumpkin round, or my wood round, stood on its own, but I had to find the spot that it would stand on its own because it's not, a perfectly round circle. There's some flat spots or whatever. So I went and kind of twisted it around until I found the spot that it stood well on its bottom, and then obviously I made the top the opposite of that. So next I'm just going to cut up my florals that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start gluing them right underneath the stem. So I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue and just start gluing down my florals as anywhere that I wanted. So I used a couple of leaves, a couple of berry picks, and then in the center, I used a sunflower. Once I had all my florals on, I'm going to glue the gather to the bottom right-hand corner of my pumpkin. So I just used a little bit of wood glue and a few dashes of hot glue. Once I had it all glued, I laid it into place and pressed it down and held it for a few minutes to get it a nice bond. My surface is kind of rough, so it took a minute for it to hold. Next, I took my heat gun to get rid of any of the excess hot glue because these letters are really, really thin, so the hot glue kind of pushed out from the side. So I just used my my heat gun to get rid of any of that. And also the heat gun will help get rid of the strings that I had at the top from putting all my florals on. And I absolutely love the way this is turning out. It's super, super cute. And as you can see, I took like a little pick and pulled away some of the hot glue and pushed it down underneath. I don't like when you can see glue popping out of things. And look how adorable this is. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love the font on the word gather. I love the natural look of this. And the florals, I can't even believe are from Dollar Tree. They're just so, so pretty. Everything about this is just absolutely beautiful. I can't even believe this was the same wood round that I started with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to spread the chaos. I really hope this inspires you to make one.